Alright, so we got our water put in yesterday. The company came and put it to the street, and they put a little brass on-off valve on our side. They have one of their own. And there's a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. And so we have to go about 60 feet to our building. We're going to use PEX for that. But until then, when I can get a trencher, I bought some PVC with a adapter for a hose on it. So I'm going to get that set up. I'm digging a little trench here for it. Then I'm going to trench it over this mound that we're standing on, and then run the hose over to the house. So that's what I'm working on right now. I've been getting these weird roots out of here. I've never seen a root shape like this before. They've got odd, weird shapes. If you know what those are, leave a comment, because that is really strange roots. So I'll get back to it and I'll show you the results when I get done getting the hose hooked up. Or maybe we'll also show hooking up the PVC pipe also. So that's a close-up of the on-off brass valve in there for us. It's really soft. You can cut into it and just tear it out. Another one right here. This is the adapter for the garden hose. Have to attach it on here. So we put some primer. Around here. And some primer inside of here. And this is the glue. It sets up pretty fast. That's all there is to that. Now, down here, look, this is a little blue stopper they put in the hole.
Okay.
So this, I'm going to take that stopper out and prime these and put this in there, and then our hose will connect here and go give us water to the cabin.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, we make life a little bit, just a little bit easier.
Okay. All right. So primer first. Some glue. We just let that sit for about 30 seconds and it'll be all right.
It dries pretty fast.
Yeah, it dries really fast. I mean, when you're plumbing, once you put it in there, you can do stuff for 2 minutes later and it won't budge it.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna put this can under here for now. Keep it off the dirt.
What's the size of the everything?
It's a standard garden hose fitting, and this is a 3/4 inch PVC pipe.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn the water on,
Woohoo!
see if we have any leaks or anything.
Did you just turn it on?
Yeah.
Wow. Easy as that,
No
huh?
leaks.
What's that white, brown line down there?
Where?
Maybe that's just dirt.
Oh, okay.
It works, doesn't it? Wow. Water's coming out.
A little bit of air in the system.
Yeah. It's a new, what do you call it? It's a new hose.
Alright, there you go.
Wow, that's fantastic.
It was leaking because the washer was not flat inside of here. One side of it was curled up. So I'm going to try to put it back in straight with the help of a screwdriver. I'm wondering, hold on, I see something. Okay, I don't think this goes in here. I think this went in here. Yeah, it went like that.
So the washer belongs to the sprayer.
Right.
Okay.
So let's see what happens now.
There we go. There we go. That seems smoother.
Alright, so it's not leaking here anymore. I think it was, I over tightened it and it crimped the washer.
All
Now
right.
just doing it hand tight, it's not leaking. And we can do our thing here. And this lets you have more pressure or less pressure.
We got water.